Hi guys, welcome back to the Drone Zone 1. What we're going to do today is we're going to head out to Cannock Chase. And you're probably thinking, oh my god, he's going out to Cannock Chase again. Well, the reason why we go out to Cannock Chase is for three reasons. First of all, it's a great day out for walking the dogs or just taking a nice little stroll. It's safe to fly my drone there. We've got a chance of hitting anybody, or there is a no-fly zone there, so it's free of no-fly zone. And that's it basically. It's a lovely day out. So what we're going to do is we're going to try this bad boy, the parrot bebop 2. Okay, apparently it's a bit more advanced from the last parrot bebop. Okay, it's got a 1080p camera on the front, but the idea of today is just to go out and test the speed and the agility of it. Okay, we are going to use the parrot bebop 2 sky controller. We do have the Sky Controller 1, but apparently this one's got a bit more of a range on it. But I'm not interested in range today. But like I say, we're going to head down to Cannock Chase now, and let's see how we get on.